Yeah, both of you guys say the dua or the supplication for learning. Both of you have to say Rabbi zidni ilma.
Rabbi zidni ilma.
Yes, Adam. Ilma. Rabbi zidni ilma. Okay. Ilma. Yes, this you people have to do before every lesson. Either I am teaching or learning is going on. Either you are going to learn, memorize anything. Okay. Say the thing. Okay, guys. I have since I always wonder, and I was thinking you people will help me. I was pretty sure I will be assisted and helped by both of you. And here we have the which country do you live in right now? We are living in
UAE.
Adam.
UAE.
Absolutely. And but we belong to another country, no need to say, okay? Just think of that. And if yes, you do belong, what would happen if we don't have a country to live? First answer will come from Adam, then answer will add. Okay, Adam, just think, take time, take it easy. What would happen if we don't have a country to live?
Not be here.
Yes.
Then we will not be here.
Yes, but I am getting very light. Either speak louder or fix it. Okay, I didn't get you proper.
We will not live here.
Yes, we won't be able to live or survive. Anzar, do you want to add anything?
We will die.
Yeah, we won't survive long time. Yes.
But if we will play, I think Allah will save us.
Yeah, that he is always there. Either do we do have country. Country is also one of the blessing. I just wanted to realize that having our own country is one of the blessing. Or having a peaceful country, having a safe country, having a safe place. Either any place is there is a blessing. You know, most parts of the world, Muslims are suffering, like in Kashmir, also in Palestine. Also, you heard also, right? Because that's either their country, but some aggression or people are oppressing them, they are not in peace. So alhamdulillah, having a country is a blessing. This thing we will learn in this surah, by this surah. That's why Allah just swear by the name of a country, by the name of a city. Either you are living in your country, on country where we are born, other place. If it is a peaceful place, we are in peace, we are in safety, and we have the security. It means it is one of the blessings of Allah. Having a country, having a safe place, secure place is a blessing. Yes. Your answer, both of you. What is our duty towards our country? Country means the place we are living.
I know.
Yeah, sure. Say.
We respect our country.
Yes, we should respect our country. Adam, what kind of respect answer is saying? Respect mean country is not a man, country is not a girl, lady, woman. How we can respect a country? It is not making sense for me.
Not make it dirty.
Such a sharp answer, right? Exactly. And not making it dirty, not spoiling it, and not other things which makes it mean it being shows that you are irresponsible, not a good citizen. Yes, like following the rules and regulations and traditions of the country and the customs, whatever is going on. Okay, because every country has its different traditions, customs, and other things. But some rules and regulations are understood, like rules of roads, each and everything. Alhamdulillah. You guys are sharp enough, alhamdulillah. I won't find any difficulty. It will be very easy to understand, to carry on.